Welcome to SwiftTech Solutions, your premier destination for cutting-edge technology solutions and innovation. At SwiftTech Solutions, we're not just another IT company. We're your strategic partner, dedicated to providing top-tier managed IT services, expert helpdesk support, and unparalleled IT consulting. With our team of seasoned professionals, cutting-edge technology, and personalized approach, we're here to optimize your IT infrastructure, streamline your operations, and propel your business to new heights of success. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, SwiftTech offers tailor-made solutions to meet your unique needs and challenges. From management to support, we've got you covered every step of the way. Ready to experience the SwiftTech difference? Contact us today to learn more about how we can revolutionize your IT experience. SwiftTech Solutions, your trusted partner for all your technology needs. Thank you for choosing SwiftTech Solutions. Let's unlock the full potential of your IT infrastructure together.